Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with the Bitcoin chart. And I want to make your day a little bit because I have the bullish cipher pattern that it is going to play out for me. Personally, even if we make a little bit of a lower low rate here, it won't matter. XABCD, this is a bullish cipher, and the bottom should be around 17.7k, in which we found nice buying pressure right there. You can see that, and this was the best thing that we could ever have. Then we went all the way back up to the 24k, but right now we are a little bit bearish. Tesla sold 75%, we all know that, but even before we knew that Tesla would sell the 75%, we were actually pessimistic about the Bitcoin's price action, and I told you that probably we won't be closing above the 23.5 to 23.8k that we wanted to do, and so we would fall down. Now, what is next for BTC? What are the next support levels and what are the next possible targets, right? Because, okay, Tesla sold 75%, but you can see that the price action is not so bearish. Anyway, let's find some important support levels. Drawing the fib from the bottom to the top in order to find major support levels, and going to the regular or the logarithmic scale. Okay, I prefer sometimes both. You will see that we have one support line right here, the 22.8k to 22.9, which I think we will easily break down and go into the 22k. Alright, so the next major support level for me will be around the 22k, and I want to see how Bitcoin will respond towards that. A good thing about Bitcoin that I found out yesterday was that despite the fact that we had right here a higher high in the price, we did not have a lower high in the RSI, and therefore we did not form a bearish RSI divergence by 0.4, something like that, right? I think it was 72.01, 72.05. Look at the minor difference that didn't make the bearish RSI. Anyway, though, we cannot say for sure that this is a very good thing, as on the daily frame we could not find the best support level possible. Okay, and the best close that we wanted possible, because we closed below the 23.5 to 23.8k that we wanted to do yesterday. So that means that probably BTC is going to correct more, going down to the 22k. If I open the regular scale, you will see that it is around the next support level that we care about is the 21.6, I would say to 21.7k, around there. Okay, so this is the next major support level that BTC will be having. I think though that the 22k will be the first one that we need to have, and the next one will be the 21.7k. Now, if you open the logarithmic scale, you can see it is a little bit further down, but I wouldn't say that 21.4k is something spectacular and something that we should be checking on. I think that the 22k and 21.7 is the next major support level, and what we want to see for Bitcoin chart, it is that it is holding onto these support levels, because if BTC holds into 21.7k, I've told you again that, and we see a buying pressure, that it is very possible and very likely that we can see the 24.7, 25k, and so on. Okay, so you need to know and to understand that we are not totally bearish for the midterm, but for the short term, I think that we are going to achieve some important support levels to the downside. Anyway, in the 4-hour frame, we are holding for now though the 20-day EMA, which is good. Okay, it is very good that we are holding that and we are not dropping down from it, but eventually it doesn't mean something for now, because we have seen multiple times that we are holding a line and then we drop down, right? But the good part is that we didn't have more correction after. For example, you can see that we had a nice green candlestick right here, and this is a kind of a slim chance of hope, right? Slim chance of hope, maybe not to see BTC crumbling down. Eventually though, the most probable scenario, as I will talk about again, it is probably, even if we have, for example, a little bit of a buying pressure right here, to go down. Okay, so therefore, I do not expect anything major for Bitcoin from Bitcoin, and Tesla's 75% selling didn't actually made some noise, right? You can see that BTC is having the targets that it should be having. It is having the correction that it should be having. For example, I was anticipating that even before Tesla sold. Maybe Tesla saw the same thing and they decided to sell things as they saw a long scale into going sideways, and they decided that they could handle the money better with short positions and they could increase the value. Okay, no one knows, but one thing is for sure right now that we need to just go and retest the 22K. Now, a bullish sentiment would be in this day to hold the 22.8K. All right, if we do that around this area right here, and if we do that and if we go sideways, closing above or something like that, this is fantastic, and this could mean that there is a slight chance of us getting even higher. All right, so therefore, yeah, you have to take this into your mind. You have to take it into consideration, the fact that we might go upwards if we hold the 28 to 22.8K. But this is why I said it in the last minutes of the video, because I think that it has less possibilities of happening. Okay, and the more possibilities comes to the BTC going a little bit further down. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.